Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures, coming to you for your daily wrap-up for January 10th. Overnight, there was a relatively 15-point range in the S&P, which is kind of normal these days. Asia was up pretty good. Europe was also up pretty good. The only fundamental news that came out today was the wholesale inventories came in significantly worse than expected. Not a big number, but they were looking for 0.6. It came in 0.1. Some retail sales started to trickle out, and even the high ends started to actually show a little bit of weakness here today. Kind of a surprise, but it made no dent in the market. Market opened up pretty good. The S&Ps were up pretty much on a high today in the opening. We settled down, gave up about half in the Dow, a little less than that in the S&P, but we still had a pretty positive day. The SPX 1292 up 11. The Dow up 69 to 12,462. The NASDAQ closed up 25 to 2702. The 10-year note really didn't move much. The yield went up to 1.97, up 1 basis point today. The 30-year note actually is still below 3% though, so that's actually kind of positive. The dollar took it on the chin for, again today, so 80.85, down 13 ticks. Gold, good day, up 34, up 24. Tomorrow we have the beige book, and on Wednesday, Thursday we have the jobs report, and Friday we have retail sales also on Thursday. The big news of the week though is going to be the European debt auctions. We've got Italian, we got Spanish, and we got some other auctions going on in Europe, and hopefully those go well, but if they do not, I think we're going to be back talking about Europe, and that's not a good sign. This has been Dan Howe, PTI Securities and Futures.